It is a place for me to be proud of for the hard work that I've done in my past. It is a place to share with friends. It is a place for my wife and I to come down and just sit and have dinner, have a glass of wine. I decided I needed an outdoor kitchen because of all the HGTV I watch. I left it up to the contractor and they built me an outdoor kitchen. It was a rock-sided outdoor kitchen, not very many cabinets, and I wasn't happy with it. It just didn't look good. It was dirty. You couldn't clean it. You had spiders in it. You had a little nest in it of something we didn't know what it was. And when you washed it, it just still looked dirty and the rocks weren't even. There was not much storage. It was half the size it is now. No shelves in the cabinets, no drawers. It just had open doors. You just throwed stuff in there. You know, I wanted a grill. I wanted cooktop. I wanted a sink with hot and cold running water. And I didn't know about the griddle, but Jennifer introduced the griddle to me, and I thought that's a great idea because we have several family members, friends, we have several cookouts, and a griddle's perfect. You know, cook potatoes and vegetables and seafood, and we have an outdoor TV. We have a Sonos system that with speakers that we can play the outdoor TV all around everywhere, watch football games, baseball games. It's a louvered roof, it's automatic. You can operate it off your iPhone. You can adjust it for different settings at different times of day. You can close it if the weather's bad. You can open it. It's guaranteed 150 mile-an-hour winds. The lighting on it is rope lighting that you can adjust to any color you want. The fan is outdoor fan. So it's set up just the way I want it. It is a lot better because now I've got the whole property set up the way I want it. I have an outdoor kitchen that we can entertain. We have 30 to 50 people when we entertain. We have the swimming pool gone. We have the outdoor kitchen. We have the blender gone, making ice drinks, commercial ice maker. So we're all set. And they'll come out of West Virginia, come out of Savannah, Georgia, all over the place and congregate in, plus neighbors, you know, friends, family. The product itself is easy to clean. It took me a half an hour yesterday, one of them long brushes, and I had Clorox and Dawn dishwashing soap, and I dipped it in there and I just washed everything off and hosed it off. And then this morning I come out and wiped it down, and that was it. It stands up under winter conditions because we had this winter and it come through and you can't even tell we had winter. It has lots of space. It has a place to hang your wine glasses in. You can store your hot sauces and everything you cook with, all your cooking utensils, blender, and still have room for everything else. I really enjoy it. You know, you've seen my bulldog. I have an English bulldog. Him and I come out here and I have a coffee pot downstairs. And I come out here and work and drink coffee and he runs around. And if it's hot outside, we'll get in the pool first. I'll get in the pool first and then sit here and work. I mean, it's nice. You know, my wife and I have been very blessed and we want to share it with our friends.